Dumelang landlord, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlord, let us talk about some House of Zwide. Now, this is the question in all our minds, and this question needs to be answered, right? So Phil Mpila reported spotted Wanda Zuma and Shalate Sikabi, hashtag House of Zwide stars arriving at the annual Don Julio hashtag Oscar party in Sandton, Johannesburg. This year, the event honored South African film and television luminaries such as Xolile Shabalala, Desire Markgraaff, Agnes Gibson, and etc. Now, everything is good, but not only me, right? If you go to Hopolo's post, you will also see that everybody else is curious. We are curious, one, are these two dating in real life? Like Bajola Vele, because at this point we think Uguti Kichima something, and I think Uguti they are too good together. I don't know, guys. Are these two dating or are they not dating? And if you know and if you have the scoop, please do let us know, because we also want to know. We also want to insert ourselves in this whole thing. But while you're at it, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. This is your girl, Adisebo D. I love you. Peace. Bye.